gonna pull out. We're gonna close the door, okay?
I'll be her assistant.
Get the cotton.
Okay.
It's not gonna hurt the hot.
You're gonna close it
She
yourself.
has a napkin ready.
How long is it gonna be?
We all did that.
Okay.
Lord Jesus Christ. Yes, I'm very seriously. Oh my God. A parade? You have to go in because we're closing. She's closing it.
I like to see the door closed.
Oh, okay.
Just kidding.
No, I have to take care of my little cousin.
Okay, let's see if this works.
If it's not long enough, I'm sorry.
I mean, I guess it's long enough for her to tie it up.
Why is she so happy? Why is she so happy? I would be like so scared.
No, because you
Hey.
know.
Okay, stand here.
Okay. Move to.
It's really
Okay,
Are you gonna do it?
You're gonna have to push it in yourself, okay? I'm not gonna unless you want me to do it. You want to do it? Okay.
push it really hard.
Close it really hard. Go.
Ow!
Right
It actually worked. Oh my gosh, she's so brave.
Wait, let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Wait. Let me see it. Oh my goodness.
That was really good. That was so clean.
Oh, wow.
No, she said ow, and then that's it.
That was a clean pull.
Did I?
Nó có con rồi. How are you feeling? Good? Wow, you're a brave girl.
Wow.
Bây giờ hồi ở dưới vào bây giờ dời lên cây để cho nó mọc lên.
But it's still bleeding.
It's okay. Yeah, she just needs to get out. All right. All right, out. I need to take off.
Ủa, tưởng có 2 cái lận.
Một cái rồi. Tại hồi nãy con nhìn thấy 2 cái đó.
Đằng sau you too.
Okay.
Đằng sau anh này cũng vậy.
Daddy here. Daddy here.
First time I
Daddy
see it.
here. Oh my goodness. Daddy here. Oh, Daddy nè đó.
Tối nay Tooth Fairy
Yeah,
tới nghe chưa?
yeah, Tooth Fairy. Yeah.
Cho chị.
Tooth Daddy Fairy.
Shut up, you the rude.
Wow, để coi thế. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. Để đây. Wow. Let me see. Let me see so I can take it. Okay, no, take it out.
No, it's bleeding, Mr. Pooty.
Quick picture.
I can't handle
Come on, take it
it.
out real quick.
Yeah, thấy rồi, thấy chảy máu rồi. Wait, what was the other two?
Don't you crazy guys.
Not legally yet, but okay. Here you go.
That's your little.
All right.
Good job. High five. Give me 5. Yeah.
Ethan, your turn.
Let me see.
Cười.